Project 7, The Invisible World, Microbes, Cells, and Health. Introduction. Did you know that millions of tiny organisms live in your body? Some help you digest food. Some protect you from diseases. A few can make you sick. We can't see them without a microscope, but microorganisms and cells are everywhere, in the air, water, soil, and inside us. In this project, we will explore the invisible world, the cells that make up our bodies, and the microbes that live with us. We will learn how they were discovered, how they work, and how to take care of our health and the health of others. Learning goals. Understand what cells and microorganisms are. Know the role of good and bad microbes in daily life. Develop hygiene habits and ways to prevent illness. Observe and draw cell and microbe structures. Write and share explanatory texts and personal records. Reading. A microscopic story. Over 300 years ago, a Dutch merchant named Antony van Leeuwenhoek invented a kind of microscope. He was the first person to see tiny animalcules swimming in a drop of water. What he saw were microbes, living things so small that millions can fit in a spoon of yogurt. Since then, scientists have discovered bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa. Some cause diseases like the flu, dengue, or cavities. But many are helpful. They help make food, clean water, and protect our intestines. Beyond microbes, our bodies are made of millions of cells. They are like tiny living bricks that work all the time so we can move, think, breathe, and live. Activities by subject. Science. Read and summarize the types of cells, animal and plant. Compare bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa. Draw and label a cell model. Observe mold on bread or fermented yogurt with caution. Record the cycle of a common illness, how it spreads, and how to prevent it. Language arts. Write a health diary recording your habits for 7 days sleep, food, hand washing, emotions. Write an explanation. What is a virus? How do vaccines work? Give an oral presentation about a supermicrobe, real or imaginary, and its job. Math. Count and compare. Estimate how many microbes are on a common object. Estimate how many cells are in the human body. Create graphs from surveys about hygiene habits in the class. Art. Make a collage of good and bad microbes using pictures and colors. Create a 3D model of a cell from recycled materials. Design a public health poster. Take care of your microbiome. Key science content. What are cells? The basic unit of life. Can be unicellular like bacteria or multicellular like us. Main parts: cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, organelles, mitochondria, etc., and proteins as tiny machines. What are microorganisms? Bacteria. Some are helpful like in yogurt, others cause infections. Viruses. Must invade other cells to reproduce. Fungi. Some are food like mushrooms, others cause illness like athlete's foot. Protozoa, microscopic organisms that live in water or in bodies. How we protect ourselves. Immune system, our internal defenses. Vaccines, train the body to recognize enemies. Hygiene, wash hands, cook food well, don't share personal items. The best medicine is helping your immune system do its job. Final products. Each student will make 1. A science poster with illustrations, facts, and tips about microbes and health. 2. A personal health diary with drawings and reflections about daily habits. Evaluation. Criteria. Excellent 3. Good 2. In progress 1. Understands what cells and microorganisms are. Explains their role with clear examples. Makes clear and creative scientific drawings. Writes clearly and organizes ideas well. Participates actively in all activities.